Step-by-step instructions for aligning any directive disability to extended installation verification test modest the help find problems inkable. Step-by-step instructions for aligning any directive disability to extended installation verification test modest the help find problems inkable. Step-by-step instructions for aligning any directive disability to extended installation verification test modest the help find problems inkable. Step-by-step instructions for aligning any directive disability to extended installation verification test modest the help find problems inkable.